everyone. Welcome back to the channel today. We're diving into the world of ultra-luxury and bespoke craftsmanship with the 2023 Mansory Rolls-Royce Phantom. Buckle up, this is not your average Rolls. Mansory is known for pushing boundaries, and the 2023 Phantom is no exception. The exterior is transformed with a full carbon fiber body kit, including a redesigned front bumper, wider fenders, aggressive side skirts, and a newly sculpted rear diffuser. Up front, you'll notice the iconic Rolls-Royce grille remains, but it's been darkened and complemented with LED running lights and carbon fiber accents. The spirit of ecstasy? Finished in gloss black, giving it a stealthy, modern presence. The 24-inch Mansory forged wheels add muscularity and presence, while the lowered stance enhances both performance and visual impact. Step inside, and Mansory takes the already impeccable Rolls-Royce interior to new levels of extravagance. The cabin is entirely re-upholstered in ultra-premium leather, Alcantara, and bespoke carbon fiber trim. Every panel, button, and surface feels unique. Contrasting stitching, Mansory embossed headrests, and Starry Night headliners elevate the ambience beyond even Rolls-Royce's own standards. The rear cabin is more like a first-class suite. Reclining seats, champagne chiller, touchscreen infotainment, and a bespoke ambient lighting system create an environment that's less car, more private jet. Under the hood, the Mansory Phantom keeps the legendary 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V12, but with some serious upgrades. Mansory tunes the engine to deliver around 610 horsepower and 950 Nm of torque, up from the stock 563 horsepower. Despite its size, this beast glides from 0 to 100 km/h in just under 5 seconds. It's eerily silent, yet overwhelmingly powerful, a true embodiment of refined strength. The 2023 Mansory Rolls-Royce Phantom isn't for everyone. It's for those who demand the pinnacle of performance, luxury, and individuality. A rolling work of art, and perhaps the most opulent sedan ever made. If you're the kind of person who commissions things, not just buys them, then the Mansory Phantom may just be your next signature piece. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below. If money were no object, how would you spec your Mansory Phantom? Until next time, drive with purpose, and always in style.